Alright guys, I'm back today with another lace closure wig. And before I get started on all the details, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so that you don't miss a video. This unit was sent over by the company Asteria Hair, and before I get started on the details of the unit, I will show you what came in the box. There is a wig cap, they also include an elastic band, and then they also give you a satin bag that you can store your unit in when you are done wearing it. The unit that I will be showing you guys is their Water Wave texture. It is a 6x6 lace closure wig. I have it in the length 20 inches. It is 180% in density. I also have a small cap size. You do get your soft Swiss lace. It does state that it is in a medium brown color, but I feel like it's too light, so I will definitely have to go in and make some adjustments to the lace. This is what the texture looks like fresh out of the package. Also get your standard cap construction, which is 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And on the website it says that this unit can be dyed or bleached to a number 27. This is what the unit is looking like before I put it on my head. It's giving you that nice wavy texture. This is freshly dried. The wave pattern is so pretty so far. That is what the parting space looks like now. So I did go ahead and bleach my unit for about 15 minutes. I used 30 volume developer, and then I also did add some tint spray. I used the color caramel. I've been trying out caramel and light brown from Tailored Crowns. I'm gonna make sure to leave a link down below to where you guys can purchase that, and I'll also have a video coming up soon so you guys can see exactly how I do it. We'll be doing another simple install. This is usually how I would wear my units every day. I don't even wear a wig cap sometimes. I just put on my wig grip. I just did another lace closure install from another wig. I will make sure to leave that video towards the end of this video in case you guys want to see how I style it and everything, but it's pretty much doing the same kind of thing. But I feel like these closure wigs are just very easy to style, and they are less maintenance because you don't have to worry about gluing them down. This unit also does come with a pre-plucked hairline. Now I could have went in and kind of customize it a little bit more to make it more natural, but because I'm doing a middle part, I feel like the pre-plucked hairline was fine and I didn't want to have to worry about plucking out too much of it. And then I'm just going to end up cutting some of the hairs down. I did start off trying to use the eyebrow razor, but it was not sharp. And then I am also going to go ahead and use the black bottle of my Got To Be gel, and I'm just going to swoop over a little bit of hairs. I'm not going to swoop over too much. My main focus on the closure wigs is to swoop over a little bit of hairs where the closure piece starts, where you start sewing it at, because that part is always going to show. I like to try to conceal mine just in case the wind blows. If I want to tuck the hair behind my ear, it won't show as much. And like I stated before, you can use some eyeshadow or you can use a dark eyeliner and just kind of fill that one piece in, and it will definitely help conceal it. Now I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I'm just going to place that along the hairline and also the part. And the knots on this weren't big at all, so you can definitely just use foundation or powder if you do not want to bleach the knots on this unit. However, I wanted to bleach them just a little bit more so that I could go in with the tint. My Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm just rubbing that throughout the hair, making sure to rub it in really good, focusing on the ends of the hair. And this is going to help this protect it from being too frizzy or getting too frizzy throughout the day. And as you guys can see, with me fluffing it up on one side, you can just definitely tell the difference. It's very, very pretty. Now you don't have to fluff yours up as much, but I definitely wanted to have mine look really nice and big. Of course, all of the products that I can find, I will make sure to leave them linked down below. And if it's something that I missed, just make sure to ask me and I will find a link for you guys. This is it, guys. Like, that was super simple, and I didn't even have to use the HotComb to press out anything because as you guys can see, this wig is laying flat. Like, it needs no extra help it just lays really flat. Now, one thing I will say is if you are going to use the wig grip, just make sure that it doesn't become rolled up so that you don't have to worry about any creasing throughout the parting space. And that is the hair up close, and that is also the texture. This is the length on me. As I stated, this is 20 inches. On the website, they do go up to the length 24. And I also, once again, have the 180% density. On the website, they do have the density options of 130, 180, and 250. I feel like this 180 is perfect because it's between like 150 and 180. It's a little bit thinner in the top area, and then it gets thicker once you get past the parting space. With the 6x6, you are open to more parting space, and you can do a little bit more styling, and this is just easier. I feel like this is very beginner friendly. The install is beginner friendly, and the wig is beginner friendly. I did not have a lot of issues with this wig. I got slight shedding with this unit and some slight tangling. I'm going to wear it for a little bit more just because this is perfect for me, especially for everyday wear. Let me know how you are feeling this wig. If you guys want to see more closure wigs, leave some comments down below. Don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss anything, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.